here we are, building
Can
a
you get
fortress.
You need something higher.
Yeah. Me, I'm high enough. That chair.
Yeah, but there's nothing on this side.
I know what we can put on
Unless you do want to flip around the couch, but I really don't want to do that.
Okay. Let's find something. Go, we need a
No, don't go in your room and
to emergency
guys.
exit.
get inside.
Oh, sorry. No.
Here at home with the chows, or chaos, however you want to read it. Kids wanted to build a fort, so we have to flip the
It's called a cave, Daddy.
the cave. So we have to flip the sofa around, put it close enough with the chairs, the chair back and the sofa's back, and put blanket over it. And outside here we have one of these pop-up tent, those kids pop-up tent to hold the blanket, and we'll also put one in the middle right there underneath here.
It's our storage.
So therefore, it's the storage and also a separator between the two of them, and to hold up the blankets in between. And of course, they're not behaving really well,
The emergency exit.
and we have the emergency exit right here. Now, get back inside.
Okay, let's go. How about my emergency exit?
We got another
No, here.
entrance here.
And we also got the
And
emergency exit.
right there. Okay, so what do you guys say? Good night.
Good night.
Have fun. Sweet dreams.
Okay. Good night. Good night. Bye, Mommy.
Good night.
Love you.
Love you.
They're pretty sweet sometimes.
Bye.